What's up, everyone? Welcome back. In this video, in previous video, I show you about how to create a one track in a C++ programming. One more time, I just to back for you about two different topics. The first is the multi-threading, and the second it can come. Let's see, concurrencies is mean we run in the same in the same in the same memory space and in the same hardware concurrency. And the parallels programming is mean we run in the independent hardware concurrency. So in this video, I don't talk about the C++ programming, but I talk about how to use multi-threading in the Python programming. In this recently, the Python is very important people and very famous people for the machine learning, for web development, and for the app development, and a lot of things. So don't talk about that. We just focus on the radio. Uh, as you know, the track will help you to improve your high performance and all of the application based on the, the strong CPU. So in the Python, we had a lot of library for implement the concurrency programming, and the first of this we use the let track library. And to use this library we just import the track library. And in this the first example I will create two track for compute the total of two integer. In the first I will create a sum function. The sum function, the first we just to input the name of function, name of track, and the index, and second in range 0 and index +1. We compare the total. So now you need to format. This means you arrange the output to this debug console. And after that, we return the total. And in the main function, we input the name and the first pointer we just to input the function name to create one track, and in there we input the function name and how many integer in this, like in second, right, in there. So now we select 5 seconds. So now we run it. In the first time of running, as you can see, fed 2 even before with 1, and in the second, you can see fed 1 even before fed 2, and it turn fed 2 the first, and after that, fed 1, So now I will remove the time select function, and in there I will create a definitely loop, indefinitely in infinite init loop. So yeah, I will put this here. As you can see, this is the result. As you can see, at first, the second, second, first, second, first, second, first. So we run again. First, second, second, first, second, first, first, second. All right. So this is the example of uh, Rect library, and in the next I will use the Recting library. In the Recting library, we not need to select because the select equate with the sound mode. It means break non-damage. With this script, the application will wait for the break to complete and exit the application. So in this library, we don't need to the time slip, and now we just to define the target, and we just to define the argument. So now so what is, I don't know. So in this library, so we first feature to declare one variable, and we just to receive the result, and after that we just to stop. So you can see in this sample I use the threading library, and in this sample I use the Ragnar Diamond track, and so and in after I will create a demonstrate by use the demon set to true them. So after I choose, will start, after that I will run. As you can see, 1 2 1 2. After that I will try it. As you can see, we can in this sample I use the demon show area and uh, we will end up the track where the application not completely, and after that I will use the try function. So this is the result. So in the Python we have another library of the track is the trackbool library. So the trackbool library will help you manage your application by manage track using trackbool escalator. After declare a trackbool, we just submit the task, and the library will return for you one future. We have you uh, know more the state via the future then and get a result for using the future result. Notify that the future result will block the application until the future is completely. So now we'll write a sample for you about how to using the concurrently library. So yeah, the main function. I will create a SQL, and this SQL will equal the concurrent future SQL file. So now I will bring the future one. Then for check the state, you know. And after that I will select system. I will bring the future one. Then once again, to that we will check the future one result. As you can see in the first time, task 1 is polling, and the state data is true, and after that data is true. Task 1 is running. So I will run again. So now I will polling in the 2 second and the time step is 1 second. So that's okay. It's the first example about a Python concurrency, and once again, I will notify you about how to use the break multi-thread application. First is the break and breakbeat library, and uh, after that is the breakpoint executor for the Python. I hope that this uh, idea can help you program for the flexible application, not block the UI or not block any tasks in the system, and which can help you uh, have the flexible programming and for flexible in the flexible and complex setup. Thank you for watching.